doesn't wish for sunny days, that the sky above us would never turn gray. But life isn't always sunshine, but we have times that lead us asking why. But when the clouds roll in and tears begin to fall, there must be a reason for it all. Redeemer of the rain, the Lord will never waste our pain. He brings beauty out of brokenness and hope through our heartaches, healing out of every hurt that invades our shattered world. We never walk through trials in vain. He's the Redeemer of the rain. Every problem that we face and sifted by the Father through hands of grace, He uses sorrow to draw us, to call us closer to His side. It's in the middle of the storm we learn to trust that He is always watching over us. Redeemer of the rain, the Lord will never waste our pain. He brings beauty out of brokenness and hope through our hearts.